Hey guys, this is my first YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. Today I'm doing a makeup something. Okay, whatever, but I'm doing makeup. So first, I'm gonna start with the box charms. This is a new one, kind of like the Jacqueline Hill palette. First, I'm gonna do this one. Now I'm going to do the color. This color. Okay. Okay. I did my eyes. Now I'm going to do my cheeksy. Perfect. I'm going to do the pretty Vlooger. Okay, whatever. Do I open this? This is what it looks like. Okay. I'm gonna take this big, poofy, ginormous, humongous brush. Poofy. Okay, I'm gonna do my teeth. I think this one is too much. Next, I'm going to do this one. Should I do white, gold, or pink? I think I might do pink. Wait, is this pink? I don't know if it's pink. This one's too much. That's good. I made a mess actually. Don't try this at home. First, ask your mother. Guess I'm hungry. Next, let's do Next up is Morphe. M-O-R-P-H-E. Okay, now it's time to open it. That was a waste of time. Oh. Now I'm gonna do this. Oh, it's so pretty. Just look at it. It's so pretty. Other eye. Wait. How do I do that? I don't believe how I can do it with my eye open. Now I'm done with my makeup. Now if you want to see my puppy, then I'll show you. Come here, you little cuties. Okay. So, Mama, I'm done. Hi, Mas. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Bye bye, everybody.